Hello everyone, this is I'm going to walk you through how to find battery draining apps on Samsung. First thing is open up your settings and then you tap on the search icon at the top and tap on battery. Type in battery. So to get your battery information, tap on battery. Tap on battery information. You can see your battery information right here. So the next thing I'm going to do, or you can just keep what and just tap on battery here and tap on battery and device care. Tap on battery, the first option. You can see it here. Then you can see the apps that are using your battery. So tap on view details to get more details. So you can see anyone that's using too much of your battery, you can see that's draining your battery, you can simply uninstall them. For example, you can see Facebook here, and you can either uninstall them actually, or you can tap on background usage limits. You can put them to sleep and put them into deep sleep. So if you put them into sleep, the sleeping apps run in the background only occasionally, but your updates and notification may be delayed. Deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notification. They will only work when you open them. It's as simple as that.